Hi, this is me, Brandon. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm going to talk about my personal brand. This is for an assignment, but anybody that's on YouTube that's watching this, I hope you like it. Hit thumbs up, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more great content. So my personal brand, I'm Meet Brandon. This is me. You might know my channel basically got started when my wife bought a front door that had a lock on the front, a digital door lock with no code, no information. I couldn't figure out how to get it to work and was just frustrated. I'm searching on YouTube, I'm searching on the brand's website, how do I fix this door code so I can lock my front door to keep my family safe, right? Pretty simple thing. I couldn't find it. It took forever. I probably spent 2 or 3 hours wasting my time looking. I finally found a video that was probably 12 minutes long, and minute 8 had the answer that I was looking for. And it was so simple. It was like, hold this button and put in the batteries. Like, so simple. So I made the video myself in 1 minute and 30 seconds or 20 seconds, something like that. And I literally showed how I was doing it and stuff, and I posted it to YouTube. And lo and behold, that video it's my highest viewed video, 160,000 views or something. My daughter was 1 at the time. It's like 4 years old now. Anyway, it helped people. And I realized, wow, there's a lot of people that are probably like me that don't have a lot of time, don't have a lot of money that they want to waste on a silly thing like that, that all somebody has to do is basically say, this is the trick. You know, you show them the problem, what's going on, and then explain it. And you say, this is how to fix it. It shouldn't be that hard, but so many people want to like try and milk you in, draw you in, get more, you know, monetary gain or whatever their appeal might be. You're not going to get that with Meet Brandon. So when my sense of personal brand, your story, you're going to get direct. You're going to get straight to the point. I was a Marine, you know, sniper, scout sniper, you know, I just shoot straight. I'm going to give you the answer. And I don't want to waste your time and money because I think it's so valuable. You know, if dad, family, man, time is the most valuable resource that we have. And so my goal is to make short, precise videos that get right to the point almost as fast as humanly possible with bringing in some context to save you time and money. That's my personal brand. I've created a company called Dark Horses International. I'm hoping to grow that even more. But as far as Meet Brandon, like the things that I bring to the table are you're going to get a genuine person that's going to talk to you, help you, show you the basics, put the links in the description so you can buy or find the things that I'm sharing so that doesn't waste your time too, and just try and help you. I feel like I'm gifted in a helper type of way. I feel like I have a personality that people relate to. I feel like I'm pretty normal and just, you know, can talk to just anybody on the street, you know, and make friends with anybody. So I do try and have that same personality on YouTube. I also don't like edit a ton of my videos. This is my first take on this video. I'm gonna post it. The requirement was 3 to 5 minutes. I'm at 3 minutes now, so I'm gonna end it soon. But I just go for it, and usually the raw, natural side of things is what's missing. You're not going to get this polished, perfect thing with Meet Brandon, but you're going to get the raw, real, accurate, this is how it's going. So once again, thanks for watching this video. I hope you stay tuned and watch more videos. They're going to pop up in the corners. Those are the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.